Crypto is everywhere, but for beginners, it feels confusing and risky.
Some people make money, others lose money. That's why everyone is talking about crypto.
Cryptocurrency is digital money. It exists only on the internet. There is no paper money and no coins. Everything is digital.
Crypto is not controlled by banks or governments. Crypto works on blockchain, a public digital record.
Once data is added, it cannot be changed. That makes it secure.
People use crypto for fast payments, freedom, and investment.
Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most popular cryptocurrencies.
People earn by holding long-term or trading short-term. Crypto prices go up and down very fast. Risk is real.
Beginners lose money because of scams, fear, and greed. Yes, if you learn and stay patient.
Start small. Learn first. Never rush. Crypto is a tool. Knowledge decides success.